Staying safe online does not have to be expensive or complicated. If you are just starting out in cybersecurity, there are several free tools that can help protect your data, identity, and devices from digital threats. Antivirus software scans your system for viruses, malware, and suspicious activity. Even careful users can be exposed through downloads or email attachments. Top free options include Windows Defender, which is built into Windows, Avast Free Antivirus, and Bitdefender Antivirus Free. These programs help catch threats before they can do harm. A virtual private network, or VPN, encrypts your internet connection and hides your IP address. This is especially useful when using public Wi-Fi in places like cafes or airports. Free VPNs such as ProtonVPN, Windscribe, and TunnelBear help keep your browsing private and secure from snoopers. Password managers store your passwords securely and help you create strong, unique passwords for every site. Bitwarden, LastPass Free, and NordPass's basic plan are excellent free choices. Using a password manager reduces the risk of reusing passwords across multiple sites. Browser extensions like uBlock Origin, HTTPS Everywhere, Click and Clean, and DuckDuckGo Privacy Essentials block malicious sites, trackers, and unwanted ads, making your browsing safer and smoother. Start with these free tools. Small steps can lead to safer digital habits for everyone.